Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Angela with me. Such a sweet gal. She's been coming a while now. She met me from my YouTube channel.
Yep.
Yeah, so anyway, she is a sweetheart. Love her haircut. She's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, the number 3, or 4. This is a 4 back here, not a number Okay, just blending this line in. And then also, after we blend this line in, we are going to take the texturizing shears and go, through that area that I had just blended in. That's another way of blending. If you feel like there's still a little bit of a line, but you don't want to take a ton of length off, you can use texturizing shears. I always like to bring my comb in by her ear and take this tight right here, especially because she has a lot of thick hair. And so with thick hair, to take that tight is nice because then it doesn't start poking out as it grows. It will, after a little bit, but she comes every 4 weeks. And so when we do it tight like that, it's easier for her to not have it poke out. So Angela definitely has thick, nice, gorgeous hair. So if you have thick hair, and Angela's hair straight, so if you guys need to know that also, this is an absolutely beautiful cut with her type of hair. Yeah, ever since we started doing the number 4 on the back, she's really liked that. Just because it, like I said, she does have thick hair, and so it would just start getting bushy, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it was never short enough.
Yeah, it was never short enough. So once we did the 4, oh, it was so much better. So what I'm doing now, you guys, is I'm looking, and it's, as long as you look straight up from your work, then you won't have any big bumps or anything that's not blended. So just definitely go back through and make sure everything is blending well. Okay, and then down here at the bottom, just gonna come in, clean this up. Little trick I wanna show you on the sides in just a second. So it's fun. Angela has her friend Julie that comes, and I cut her hair too, so that's fun. Okay, so now this side, we go in and keep this tight. And I just do the corners and the bottom of this. Okay, now this side, you need to clean up. So you can see I've just Okay, now we'll just dry it. Whew, it's gonna feel better. Okay, so that's pretty much doing its own thing. Pretty much dry. And then I just blow all of this forward. I'll show you on this side. Blow this forward. Forward on this side. And then just back and forth with my fingers. And I like to bring the dryer kind of back in this way, just to give it that lift on the top. Then when it's about 80% dry, oops, then we're going to go back and forth. I mean, check out that makeup. Are you kidding me? So pretty. You guys, I hope you have an awesome day and we will chat next time. Thank you. See ya.